Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Castlevania Symphony of the Night on your Android device. This beloved action role-playing game is officially available as a mobile application, bringing its iconic Gothic adventure to your fingertips. You'll find a faithful recreation of the original, complete with its expansive castle and memorable characters. It's designed to run smoothly on most modern Android phones and tablets, offering a fantastic way to revisit or discover this timeless classic on the go. To get started, simply open the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for Castlevania Symphony of the Night. Once you find the official Konami application, proceed with the purchase and download. The game file is relatively small, usually requiring around 300 megabytes of free storage space. After the download completes, the game will install automatically. Then just tap the icon to launch it and prepare to enter Dracula's castle. The game offers flexible control options to suit your preference. You can use the responsive on-screen touch controls, which are well designed for mobile play, allowing you to navigate the castle and engage in combat effectively. For a more authentic feel, consider pairing an external Bluetooth controller. Many popular gamepads are fully supported. Take time to familiarize yourself with Alucard's unique abilities, such as his bat and wolf forms, and his extensive spell list, to master the gameplay. To truly master Castlevania Symphony of the Night, thorough exploration is key. Don't rush through areas. Instead, search every room for secrets, hidden walls, and powerful new equipment. Pay attention to Alucard's statistics and upgrade his gear regularly to prepare for tougher enemies and bosses. Remember to seek out the inverted castle, which doubles the game's size and challenges. Aim for a high map completion percentage, perhaps even 196%, to unlock all the game's mysteries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.